Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm super excited. I've been wanting to play with this die set from Happy Crafter Shop. It is the stocking tag set for 2025, guys. You get two different size stockings, but we're just going to be playing with the bigger one today. Wait, I think I cut the smaller one. Yeah, I cut the smaller one. We're going to be playing with the smaller one today. I've been having it in my head to create a garland is what you call it. Oh my god, I don't know why every time I record, like, these things go blank to me. But anyways, I want to make like a banner type of garland type of thing to hang, that you can hang it as a fixture on maybe a mantle or even in your craft room, or if you want to gift as a gift for a Happy Meal or for Christmas or whatnot. So I've been having it in my mind, but I have not had the time, guys. So now is the time. All right, Happy Crafter Shop. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. Guys, she has got these amazing die sets. You get one of them for free with a purchase while supplies last. Okay, guys? Now, there are not many companies, guys, will give you a free die set specifically designed as a freebie. This is awesome of her to do this. So if you do got the banner, this free one is smaller. Okay, so you'll have 3 of the banners. If you get this one, it's super cute. It's specially designed, like I said, as a freebie for her shop, you guys. So this is amazing. Make sure that you guys check it out. If you've placed an order and you got one, place another order and get another one while supplies last. Okay, guys, definitely check it out. Lisa, thank you so much for sending me both of these. I'm so excited. Guys, I love freebies. Who doesn't love freebies? Everyone loves freebies. All right, so let's get started. I went ahead and I cut out, you get your base piece. You get your layering piece that's stitched. Now, I ran mine through my embossing folder. If you guys have been watching my projects, you guys know that I've been loving this Tufted embossing folder that I have. I'll link it down below if you're interested. And then you also get this piece that is stitched for the top part of your stocking. And then you get these pieces, which are gonna go to your, I think they go like this. Yeah, and then this one goes to the heel. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut those out so that we can put this together. Okay, let me grab my foam tape. Now, I wanted to give mine lots of dimension. You don't have to do this step, but I just think it makes it look so much cuter. You can go ahead and put this together like I'm showing you with the embossing and all that, and you can make a really cute card. I plan on making a card with some of these as well, because you guys know I've been on a card kick. So yeah, I'm not sure if those are all sold out, the free gifts, if they're gone. But go place an order, you guys, and support a small business. Lisa is amazing. All right, let's see. So I'm going to line this up as best I can. Look at that. So cute. I decided to use white as my background, but I should have used like a gold glitter or something like that. Yeah, I should have used glitter. Why didn't I use glitter? And then we're going to go ahead, and I cut out 3 pieces of this. Because I want to give it lots of dimension. So 2 snips for 3 pieces. I want all this layered up nicely. So I'm going to do thick, like a long way on the edges. And then put this one in the middle. Guys, I'm so sorry that my videos have been super short. I just have not had a lot of time. I've got a lot of stuff that I need to do. So I'm just trying to really just stay afloat. So be patient with me. Look at how cute. All right, so we got our stockings. Let's go ahead and do these little heels. And I want to color these with my alcohol ink markers because... And of course I lost one. I'm always misplacing things. I wonder if I threw it out by accident when I was throwing these out. But anyways, we're gonna put 2 of them with it for now. And I'll just have to take the time to cut some more. But I really wanna get this video out. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side until I get that 3rd one. I'm gonna use some alcohol ink markers. You can use your ink blending. Do I want to do blue or do I want to do mint? Let's do both. I'm going to do 182 from my set. and 171. Okay. So it's not too much pink. We'll add a little something extra. But you guys know I'd rather it be pink. All right, so I'll color this in. Don't forget to use code Poochie10, guys. It will save you something. And I'll have some more videos soon with some more ideas on how to use these die sets. I'm pretty sure you guys sold out the ready to be dangles. So I'm just gonna color these in. You can go ahead and die cut these. You can do whatever you want on these. Do a little pattern. We could draw a pattern, but I don't know if I want to do that. We got the embossing going on already. All right, put this back. And you know we gotta add some bow. You're gonna need some kind of cording or twine. I'm gonna use twine. Okay, so let's put that there. Let's put that on our stockings and see how it looks. So you guys can see the look both ways. All right. I feel like we should add foam because we already added foam to everything else. Let's add foam. Okay. I'm gonna cut these into 3 again. Yeah. And I'm gonna add all right, let's add this one here. And let's cut one of these in half. Yeah, let's do that. All right. I don't know, I kind of feel like I should use the same color. You guys let me know if I should have added this foam or not. I don't know, I just figured since we're already got everything popped up, might as well. But honestly, you can just glue this piece on. All right, so these are nice and stitched. Look at the nice little stitching details. That's cute. I kind of like it without the toes on this one. I don't know. But let's put it together. All right. So this stocking already has a little loop right here. We're gonna go ahead and grab our, whatever kind of cording you have. I'm using this twine from Hooby Looby. And let's take this one out. We're gonna go ahead and thread, let me think. Trying to see if I want to do my bows on the outside or on the inside. A bow, a bow, a bow. I would need 4. I only have 3 cut out. Okay, so let's thread this. And you can make this as long or short as you want. And I'm just gonna kind of measure. This is a bow from my stash. And I want to layer it with one of the Hobby Lobby bows as well. I want to do like a die cut bow and like some kind of material bow, fabric bow. There's that one. And then we would leave space for another bow. And then add our third. I hope you guys like this idea and you try this out. Yeah, I like that. And you can make this, like I said, as long or as short as you like. You know, my glue gun's been giving me a hard time. I wrote SureBonder. I hope they get back to me because I'm tired of spending money on this glue gun and it just goes out after a while. It's like some kind of glitch going on with it. I'm not buying another one. I refuse to. I bought so many over the years. Okay, so we have our bow that I'm gonna hot glue to that. Okay, so that's how I want it to look. I want to put that velvet bow there. It kind of takes away from the bow, but I like the way it adds the texture. You guys know I'm all about texture. And I do have a tutorial on how to create these bows. If you're interested, just leave a comment and I'll find it and link it down below. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me go ahead and try to do this. Is my glue gun heated up at all? Of course it didn't. So for the purposes of this video, let's just use a foam tape. I'm gonna do 2. And I'm gonna go ahead and die cut some more and do one on the edge as well. Or maybe I'll do a different kind of bow, I don't know. But for now, I'm just gonna stick one of these on here. And attach it to my twine. And here you have a beautiful garland or banner. That you can hang in your craft room. Guys, this would be such a cute gift for Happy Meal. You can go ahead and embellish these stockings with a collection or some ephemera. This is probably gonna be hard to show. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it hanging somewhere. But this is how it looks, guys. This is my idea for Happy Crafter Shop's new stocking tag set 2025. Okay, guys? And this is the smaller one. Don't forget you got this bigger one. You can kind of see in size difference. The size difference. Okay, really nice size, you guys. So make sure you guys grab the set if it's not already sold out. If it is sold out, you guys can contact Lisa to see if she's going to be restocking. If she lets me know, I will let you guys know in a post, okay? I love you all. I hope you all have an amazing day. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial. I hope that you guys found inspiration. You create this. If you create it, tag me so I can share it and I can see it and show you some crafty love. I hope you all have a great day and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.